Meaning of flight sergeant.
Flight sergeant.
Flight sergeant.
Flight sergeant.
Flight sergeant. A flight sergeant is a non-commissioned officer rank in the Air Forces of many countries. The duties of a flight sergeant vary depending on the specific Air Force and job responsibilities, but generally involve supervising and leading a team of airmen. Flight sergeants typically have several years of experience as an airman and are responsible for the training and welfare of their subordinates. They also play a key role in maintaining discipline and ensuring that their unit is prepared for any operational task. Overall, flight sergeants serve as vital leaders within their respective air forces.